Open up your door. I can't see your face no more. Love is so hard to find, and even harder to define. Oh, open up your door, 'cause we've time to give, and I'm feeling it so much more. Open up the door. Open up your door.
En lep pozdrav vsem, dobrodošli tukaj na Trgu Evrope. Čas je, da s tem dogodkom, z otvoritvijo instalacije Kamera obskura sečišče pogledov, otvorimo tudi letošnjo 20. edicijo festivala, čezmejnega filmskega festivala Poklon, viziji.
Vstopite v ta prostor, da se po njem gibate brez nekih svetlobnih virov, brez telefonov, vžigalnikov in da se po prostoru gibljete z dotikom, z sluhom, da z ostalimi čudi, da prisluhnete ostalim, ki so v prostoru.
I like the writing. You know, she let me film everything, and we did it together. So you can see when you watch the film, you could only make a film like that if that person takes you in and you do it together. So it was really lovely to do. So I hope you love her as much as I do.
Open up your door. I can't see your face no more. Love is so hard to find, and even harder to define. Oh, open up your door.
Fine, they're rebels that I film, and it could be men, it could be women, but I film people that are fighting a situation that is intolerable for them. So for me, Letitia's fight isn't just about the mafia, it's against the expectations of the family, it's against her culture, it's against what's considered respectable.
Ciao Roberto. Piacere, che bello vedervi.
Che dobbiamo fare? Essendo diventata sicura, il lavoro, la macchina fotografica mi hanno dato così tanto che io non avevo più timore di essere una donna fragile. Con la macchina fotografica sono diventata forte.
Questions I think that are most regularly asked are like, how is it possible to represent artistic lives severed from representation politically, as when it comes to photographing the stateless who are denied the rights of citizenship and legal protection of national identity.
try to understand how the brain of a nationalist works, because I obviously am not a nationalist, and my motive of making this film is in a way anti-nationalistic.
Nagrada gre pesmi Hrvatske. Kim Longinotto.
Veliko smo govorili in veliko je bilo že rečenega, tako da v bistvu sama ne vem, kaj bi vam še rekla poleg vsega, razen tega, da se vam res rada zahvalila za prejeto nagrado in da hvala za povabilo v to čudovito mesto. In veritano saprei, l'italiano è l'altro microfono.
Oh, open up your door, 'cause we've time to give, and I'm feeling it so much more. Open up the door, open up your door.